Hi, in this video, I'm going to be comparing the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X10 Plus against the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20. Now, from the model number itself, you can probably infer that this is the better generation, so it's the newer one. From here, as you can see, why is the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X10 Plus better than the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20? It's 6.5 millimeters shorter, and it has a 6.28% less body volume, so it's basically just smaller. But if I go to the pros of Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20, it has a lot more pros. So it has a HEPA filter, has an allergy filter, it has a 0.25 bigger dustbin, 16 minutes longer runtime, 25% more suction power, and 11.54% smaller docking station, right? But so obviously the X20 is the better product. But of course, this comes with a price. If I go to the price comparison here, as you can see, the Xiaomi X10 Plus is only 2,000, while the X20 has a bigger leap in price at 59,000.